We learned a lot today in the sidebar about how light is made with different types of bulbs. And what I'd like to show you now is one more way that we can actually measure and prove that difference. What I have here is an infrared thermometer, and this allows us to actually measure the temperature of any device that we aim it at. So with our display that we used before, I'd like to test out this theory of one light bulb, the incandescent, losing so much heat as it's trying to produce light versus another one that's way more efficient, because we should be able to tell the temperature difference by measuring it. So if we turn on the device and we see what temperature the incandescent light bulb is, I just aim this directly at the bulb. There's a beam of light coming from here that can measure the temperature. So in theory, this bulb should be much hotter than the LED. So let's see what's happening. I can see right now the temperature is climbing pretty fast. 130, 140, 160s, 170s, hovering in that 170 to 180 range after it's registering. Okay, so for comparison, remember that number. Let's see what happens when we switch to the LED. I'm going to toggle the switch down to the other, and I'll aim, and we can see a temperature difference right now to about 87 degrees. So this is just an example. We could test all the bulbs like this to see how much temperature difference there is. And I can touch this with no problem. You know, the infrared light is measuring different temperature than the surface temperature, but this bulb, even though it's off, I can't even keep my hand on it. So that demonstrates a property of each of these light bulbs that I wanted to share with you as part of the lab today.